Hello folks, it is April and I wonder if you know what April is. It has been 9 years complete on my YouTube channel, and I figured I'd give you the annual dissertation on what it's all about, and I had to make notes because I can't remember all this stuff. As you may know, if you've ever looked at the videos page, that there are a number of top popular videos, and the big video that's my most popular is don't buy an A-liner without watching this video, and that's got well over 150,000 views. It's pretty amazing. The second one is 22 mods to an A-liner, and third is changing out the shower to a better shower nozzle. And then the fourth most popular video is the Clayton Boat Museum that I went to on a whim and just did it. And that's like one of my most popular videos. It gets tons of views every year. It's not within my normal niche of things, but I guess I should do more of those because I really love to go to those museums and historic places. And apparently, I guess boats and guns and stuff are pretty popular, because I did a gun thing once too, and that was pretty hot for the time. I have 11,600 subscribers, which is pretty good. I get about 1,200 subscribers a year, which isn't the best for a YouTube channel, but it's been the same. I'm hoping it goes up a little more now that I've got 2.7 million views on my 671 videos. 671 videos. Lots of videos, lots of editing. Figure 5 hours per video for editing, and then whatever it takes to make the video. That's, you're just coming along with me. So I don't count that time. Although some people do count it, because like if you're hiking up Angel's Landing and you're doing a video at the same time, the truth is it takes you twice as long. So it really is a pain. Some people, I know a lot of you watch SUV RVing, and Tristan, definitely adds hours to his day and his hikes. I have 250,000 hours that you guys have watched my videos, which for YouTube, that's $6,300 total ad revenue from all my videos. And I started YouTube when you could get money as soon as you started. So I made my first $100 my second year. I had 210 subscribers, I think. And I actually got a check for $112 or something like that for the second year. So, and it has gone up until 2018, and then YouTube changed the method they calculate money and payouts in. They take 60% and give you 40%. So out of that 6,000, I've gotten roughly around $2,000 in 9 years. So it's not pretty. I know from the YouTube analytics, which you can see on a channel, on most channels I assume, I can see that most people watch my videos on the evening from 8 o'clock until 10 o'clock, and that the most busy day is Sunday, has the highest volume of viewers. So maybe I should put a little religion into my video so people go along with the Sunday theme. I don't think so. It doesn't make any sense to me to try to change and do those. Of my viewers, 83% of them are in the US. But I have a lot of viewers in Canada, 5%. And I have a lot of viewers in Australia, 3%. I love my Aussies. I haven't gotten many comments from my Aussies lately, and I think it's because I'm not using the A-liner as much. I do have people in India, Pakistan, Peru, the islands, Jamaica, Puerto Rico, like 11 people that watch my channel. So Egypt, where else do I have here? Israel. I love you all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the channel. And my viewer age hasn't changed in the last 10 years. It's 35% are over 65, 30% are between 55 and 65, 5% under 35, and I figure that's my sons and their girlfriends and wives and their crews that watch the shows once in a while. My viewers, 87 or 78% are unsubscribed, so I've got some room there to subscribe you up if you can subscribe. 22% are subscribed, and that's great. But the subscribers watch a lot more. Ooh, pretty bluebird just went by. The subscribers tend to watch more, and they watch longer. So a lot of viewers just jump on the channel, watch it for a second, and then jump off. So they get counted in there. But I understand, you know, a lot of people don't want their information on the internet, and you're right to that. I mean, that's okay. But yeah, 40% of the actual watch time goes to subscribers. Wow, even though there's 4 times as many non-subscribers, they only see about 60%. 50% of people watch on TVs, which I didn't ever really think of that. I guess with the smart TVs now, you can get YouTube on Hulu or any of some of the streaming packs, and YouTube has its own streaming system. But 20% watch it on the phone, which is, boy, I've been traveling and trying to keeping up on some of the YouTube videos that I watch on my phone, and it's just a terrible way to watch a video, especially if you've got beautiful nature and flowers and things like that. Watch it on your computer or TV or whatever. It looks much better. And only 7% watch it on a tablet. I assume that's my mom. my mom watches it on tablet. She can't be bothered putting on her computer. I have a whole bunch of playlists. I think I may have more playlists than I should have, but I know a lot of other YouTubers have really big playlist lists too. And I have a playlist for every state that I've been to. And I have a playlist for campground reviews, and I have playlists for mods, and a playlist for boondocking and free camps and all that stuff. And mods and free campsites are my most used playlists, with 36% and 15%. So people don't use the playlist as much as they should, but you know, it's a resource. I go back to my playlists all the time to see where I want to camp and where I want to go and stuff like that. And I don't generally do a video if I go to a campsite another time, you know, in the same year. Excuse me, I got to kick a ball. Generally, if I'm going to the exact same campground, I'm not going to do another review and everything of it, unless there's major changes or they made it better. Like I just did with the FDR campground, you know, there's major differences. But so what's new for 2024? It's my 10th year, and I plan on continuing, although I'll tell you some issues at the very end, which may make a big change in life, but I'm hoping not. We're going to do more long distance travel. Since I'm not working, I don't have to come back, except I do love my house, and I've got a lot of work to do here, and I don't want to let it go to pot. My good neighbor is nice enough to keep the yard and lawn in tow, and my mail and things like that, and watch the house. So I'm not worried about it, and it's all got cameras and security system and everything anyways. But we're going to do more travel, more campground reviews. We're going to do the attractions as we always have. We're going to do hiking, exploring, enjoying life, enjoying travel, and trying to let you guys enjoy that too, live vicariously off me. So the best way I know to have friends is on YouTube. You don't cause me any trouble, you don't cause me any bother. I love meeting you on the road. It's absolutely wonderful to have comments. I mean, comments keep me running. If I only get 3 or 4 comments on a video, I don't figure I should even leave it up there. If I get 10 or 20 comments, I figure it probably had something in there that you wanted to talk about. But if I was to get 50 comments, which I may try doing some interviews of other campers, other travelers, people with interesting campers or homemade campers. We'll try to interview some full-timers, some hosts, some work campers, people like that. And we'll do as much wildlife as we can possibly find. It's my life is wildlife and natural areas, wild. So our big focus for this year is just to stay as happy as possible. Now, my son, who is a major disappointment because for most of his life, I tried to convince him to become a plumber, a nice hands-on skill. It's job security and everything, and instead he became a lawyer. He is going to reproduce this year. So sometime in August, which I'm going to be on my way to Michigan. He's going to produce a larvae, an underling, minion, whatever you want to call it, and hopefully that won't make too many changes in my life. I don't plan on it, but so I may end up going up to see that. However, he will not be on the channel this year, maybe in 2025. Babies to me are just all they do: eat, sleep, and fill diapers. And I love my children. I love having my children. I took off work to stay home with my children when they were little. My wife went to work and I kept track of them until they were 6 months and they could go to daycare. I don't want to do it again. I've had my fill of children. Right now, the child I have was right here bugging the life out of me with this ball. And this child over here needs some medical help. So we're going to try to fix him up. Right now he needs the springs. The springs need to be put back in, which will be easy. But the hinges on the roof are rusty, and so it doesn't go up and down the way it should. I've got the hinges, I've got all the materials to do them, but I don't have the time. I'm going to be traveling this year. Summer, June, July, and mostly August, I'm traveling nowhere. I'm going to be working on the A-liner. Now, the A-liner is a good, well-built, well-set-up, well-modded camper. I may sell it. If somebody made a good offer to me, I may give it to them, because I don't really need two. I really think the Wolf Pup is going to be my predominant camper. I check it all the time. That's the great thing about the A-liner being up, is you can walk into it and see how it's doing. And even the stink bugs aren't in there. So anyways, I think we've gone too long already. Appreciate every one of you. Appreciate your support, your views, your comments especially. And of course, we always hope to see you on the road. Get out there, enjoy the world, go camping, go hiking, get out, breathe fresh air. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye-bye. Out. Come on. Come on. Out.